So there's the offending engine. God, engineers these days are just amateurs. It's just pathetic, really. God, you know, all they got to do is stick a new set of spark plugs in it and off she goes. I don't know. Useless. It's the trouble with tech these days. It's just everything is so complicated and so interdependent. It doesn't exactly fill you full of faith when you think, well, what caused it, and then what could be the repercussions in flight at any point now, if we even get off the ground within, well, whatever time, however long it's going to take for them to get around to starting it, if they can, and then what? Do we go on another plane? How long do they give it before, you know, it's regarded as a fail or too complicated and it has to go into the hangar or what, you know? Not exactly brimming with or bustling with repair staff, is it? All they've done is open the cowlings up, and that's been over half an hour. I haven't seen anybody particularly doing anything. Van arrived. A couple of engineers, about 3 guys stood around chatting for a bit, and it could be anything. So we'll have to wait and see.